We're about to leave Florida and say goodbye to Florida. We're always happy to get here, and we're always happy to leave.
I don't know about being happy to leave. I like Florida.
I like Florida too, but I'm always happy to get to go other places. That's what I mean. Yeah, we like Florida, and we actually love Georgia. So goodbye, Florida. We do love you. There's a Georgia state line.
Yep, there it is.
Welcome to Georgia.
Hey, this is Gary and Sharon at Ruff Road RV Life. We like looking at freedom. So freedom brought us to
a happy place.
Carroll Sausage Country Store and RV Park. It's like 20 sites, but if you look at what I got the meat. I got the sausage, the hamburger, the pork chops, the bacon.
And we had 2 of their hot dogs. Oh my gosh, they
were great.
So delicious. They have all kinds of flavors. Mine was garlic and cheese. What did you get?
Oh, I got a bacon, cheddar, and something else.
About Vidalia onion and some. They have all kinds. Really tasty. And when you camp here, you get a $10 coupon to use in the store.
There. She's carrying a bottle of water.
It's
but
actually
this is 20 sites. This park. It's you pay it at the office, and then you just come in here and pick your site. This is it right here in front of us, and it looks like they're adding some more sites in the back.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Yeah, she's going to pan around here.
Check it out. So you pay and you just come and pick your site. And we wanted a site, well, I wanted a site with a picnic table and a palm tree. So that's what we got.
One.
But there's all kinds of sites. Don't let all these empty sites fool you. This is a first come, first serve park. So get here at least by 3. Well, there were 4 sites last night when I was walking the dogs.
That's I-75, right?
I-75, yeah. And this park fills up though, just so you know, and they're adding more. As you can see, the workers out there. So
I think this is the city of Ashburn.
Yes, this was, so this park was full last night, and this morning everybody left. We're staying here 2 nights.
It's I-75 exit 82.
Yes. Easy to get to. If you don't like traffic, road traffic, then head on down to the other end when you pick your site. Ready to walk?
Yeah, ready to walk.
Okay.
Let's go put our meat away.
Okay, stay tuned. When we get inside, I'll show you our haul from Carroll's Sausage.
So when you stay here, at this time it's $40 a night, but they give you $10 store certificate per night that you stay here. So if you stay here 2 nights, you get a $20 store coupon to use at the store.
Yeah, and we don't know if there's a limit on that, but we got 2, so we're thankful. And here's our groceries right here.
I'm going to lay them out on the counter.
Ooh.
So you can see them better. I'll show you what we got. We got some dressing.
Yep.
And of course, Sharon had to have her some Buckeyes.
Right, and they have fudge. Yep. They have like big chunks of fudge for $6.99.
We're going to make some beer bread.
Oh yes, and Gary had to have him some dark chocolate peanuts.
That's right, since she got Buckeyes.
And this you can get at Walmart, but yeah. I needed some.
And then we got some breakfast links.
And cheese.
Sweet Italian and cheddar cheese smoked sausage. And then we got some center cut pork chops. We got some pepper slab bacon. And we got some ground chuck. All fresh. And then we got some frozen.
So we got some
broccoli. We're going to have us some speckled butter beans because we're from the south.
Yeah, buddy.
Some black-eyed peas to go with our beer bread, and some butter peas. You gotta have ham for all this stuff.
All right, so I think we did rather good. We got a little bit of groceries there. It's going to extend our groceries out a little bit.
Yeah.
And look at our view right out there. So there's a bandstand over here. It looks like they're working on these extra sites. There is no bathroom here though. No shower house. The campsites. Nice, long campsites. You pick where you want to go. If you want to be away from all the noise, come down here on this end. But really, it's not bad inside with all your inside noises going. They're expanding out there. But you just pick a site. So, and all the sites are good. Now, some of them are a little more uneven than others. So, we drove around a couple times till we found one. We wanted a palm tree and a picnic table. Because right now, not all sites have a picnic table. We're going over here to buy some sausage and honey and whatnot. I-75 right there. Country store.
Okay, so that was our little walk around tour of Carroll Sausage Country Store and RV Park. Ashburn, Georgia, I-75, exit 82. It's a 20-site park. We have a gravel site. It was level for us. We have 50 amp service. We have water at the site and we have sewer at the site. There's no facilities at this site, but you do have a sewer hookup. Our internet here was very good, and they do have a park Wi-Fi that I understand is really good also. And in the back, as we saw you, they're currently under construction. They're adding more sites than just the 20 that we have here currently. Up at the exit 82, there's truck stop fuel and some other stores. And of course, they have the country store here with the sausages. They have a little gift shop in there and all that also.
I think it's a great overnight stay if you're
traveling
traveling on
a couple of nights
I-75.
traveling, boom, right here.
Yeah, it is amazing. Amazing. And it looks like most people only stay one night, but or if you need to catch up on your laundry, they've got full hookups.
Yep. So we're going to wrap this one up. This is Gary and Sharon. Click like and subscribe. Rough Road RV Life. We like looking at freedom.
Where are you camping today?
Yeah. Have you ever been to Carroll's? A lot of people we talked to on our way here said, "Oh, I've been there."
Yeah.
Great stuff.
You can't miss it.
Yeah. So follow us on our journeys, our travels as we do this 2023 trip, and take care. See you on the road maybe.
Bye. On the road. Leaving Carroll Sausage. Maybe when we come back through this way, there'll be more sites over there. Last night was a light site. Not many people came in. Like 2, 3, maybe 3.
No, there wasn't many at all last night.
No, completely packed the night before. I think there was maybe 4 openings, maybe. Everybody's gone now. Nobody came in, really. And they're all gone. And now we're gone.
I wonder how long those people stayed here.
Who?
Next door.
Oh, I don't know. We didn't ask, did we? So we met Ray and Flo. They have been RVing since 2004. And we learned a lot from them. Love meeting RVers on the road. No matter how long you've been RVing. Bye, Carroll Sausage and Country Store.
Here's some RVs up here.
We recommend the sausage dogs. The salad dressings we bought there were delicious. We have to work on the other stuff. We have a few other things to work on. All right. heading to I-75, which is an easy, short little turn here, turn there, and we're there on the road.